Now remember, I just told you we didn't have no snow. We got hit with this big ass storm yesterday, like 2 fucking feet of snow and shit. I recorded some videos, posted on my YouTube channel and shit. Cars got stuck in the street and shit because they didn't wait for the snow plow. What you know about them Cubans though? Find you one of them, boy. Mugs is hit. I won't say it's exactly like Kush, but get you a nice little high. If you ain't never had one, you should get them. I know they got them in AZ. They got them here and shit. Go Eba. La Republica Dominican. What's going on though?